Alright guys, this is the big one. Welcome back to episode 5 of the Mazda RX-8 build. We are about to load this sick girl up on a trailer. We're bringing it down to Oshkosh, Wisconsin to one of my buddy's shops where he's going to help us wide body this car finally. It's crazy that it's coming so fast, but it's about to happen. Got the Lions kit, V1 wide body kit ready to rock and roll. We got some side skirts going to be loading up too, and we're going to take it down there. He's going to help us cut the fenders, weld them up, seal them, and then make sure that all the mounting holes and stuff are drilled so we can install this kit. Once that's done, we're going to bring it back here and get it ready for the next steps. But we're going to be loaded up on the trailer really soon here. Dustin should be here any second. If you watch Custom Offsets at all, you'll recognize him, but he's going to help us tow this thing down to Oshkosh. Let's get this girl loaded up.
We're driving down the boulevard, cruising with the windows down, feeling like we run this town. Your song is on the radio, the one you always like, the one that always gets you psyched.
Girl, give me a reason, even when it ain't enough. Hold me and believe it. Show me what we got.
Alright guys, so today we're going to start cutting into the Mazda RX-8. We're here at my buddy Rainey's shop. He's going to help us out with this. And yeah, we're just going to get her up in the air.
Take wheels off and see what we got to cut and go from there. So
perfect. Easy enough.
I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me.
Alrighty, so we got the front passenger side cut, we got the rear passenger side cut. Things are getting crazy. Now, I got a lot of questions like why wide body the RX-8? It looks really nice. This is why. So when I bought the car, I knew that it had a little bit of rust going on in the rear quarter panels, and I was like, all right.
how bad?
How bad?
Yeah.
Well, from the outside, it doesn't look like it, because this is all you saw from underneath. It's like, oh, okay, it's a little bit, but what you don't realize is that it goes all the way up inside here, and like that's a good amount of rust, so just cut it out.
Yeah.
Wide body it.
And it was bad enough to the point where it's starting to separate. Like,
yeah.
That wasn't cut, that just
Yeah,
fell
that just
apart.
did it. So, if you ever wondered why I wanted the wide body the RX-8, it was the intention from the beginning. When I went and checked out the car, saw the rust, I knew buying it, intentions of wide bodying it right away, so.
All right, so with this, it's not finished, but I'm gonna finish cleaning it up, make it look as good as the front one, which round it out, get rid of the sharp edges, probably trim this up, get it to fold up so you can weld everything together and then seal it. And then we'll move on to the other side, which is the same process, just on the driver's side of the car. And then tomorrow we're gonna come back. We're gonna weld everything shut. We're gonna bed line these so it doesn't get any moisture in it and any grit and grime and dust. And then we're gonna mark everything out, drill holes in the wide body, probably put some rib nuts in and give her a good solid test fit.
So fenders are all cut and cleaned up, all 4 corners. So now next is to weld up the rears, seal everything, and then start drilling holes for the mounting of the actual fenders, getting everything lined up there. And then, yeah, just kind of keep moving forward. How has the process been so far?
Surprisingly pretty easy. These cars take, you know, the cutting with all the inside shaping of the fender wells, they take it pretty well. So I mean, it's actually going pretty fast, as you can tell. We're about 4 or 5 hours into it, and it's almost halfway done. So
awesome.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. So we got the driver's side flares on, all pretty much good to go here, looking absolutely killer. I love this kit. Like I said, this is the Lions kit V1, fits really nice. Everything that came with it seemed to go in really nice, and now we're just gonna do the same on the other side.
Yep, yeah, pretty much done. I mean, all we gotta do is throw the washers on, throw the rest of the hardware in, and it's pretty much ready to roll, and then just the same with the other side.
Yeah, so we're gonna kind of get out of Randy's hair a little bit, let him finish up the other side, and then the next time we'll see this will be towing it back up to work. So we will see you guys then. All right, guys, so here it is, the official wide body Mazda RX-8. I think it came out pretty damn good. Randy did an absolute killer job, so thank you, Brian Randy, Seven Sons Garage, for knocking this out for us in a matter of a weekend, which is absolutely incredible. It looks great. There's just some minor tweaks and adjustments to make, like on the kit itself, to get it sit a little more flush. But overall, we didn't really have to do any major trimming of the kit at all to get it to fit, which I think is absolutely killer. We threw some spacers on the Artisa Elders for the meantime while we wait on some multi-piece wheels to get made up for this thing. But using the resources that we had, we were able to get the rears damn near perfect. Now, however, the fronts are causing us a little bit of issue. Kind of flip-flop of what we saw stock body. With the fronts, they tuck in super hard, which is absolutely crazy. At ride height, it looks perfect. Actually a little bit pokey, which is exactly what I was looking for. But the camber arc on these cars is absolutely insane. So when this thing airs out, the fronts just don't stop going in. So it looks a little kind of bunk in the front right now, but we're just gonna use that as reference when we submit the measurements for the multi-piece wheels to make sure that this thing is gonna look absolutely killer. But like I said, the rears, pretty damn good, pretty damn good. So let's go ahead and wrap it up for this episode of the Mazda RX-8 build. She's officially wide body. I'm super happy. Thank you guys so much for watching and of course following this build and just being a part of it. I can't be more thankful. Don't forget wheels, tires, suspension, fitmentindustries.com, and stay tuned next Monday for the next episode of the Mazda RX-8 build. It's gonna get a little wild, a little spicy. We're gonna be throwing the big Country Labs wing on as well as a carbon fiber splitter. It's gonna be hot.
Welding? Don't wear a mask. Be a man.